Hi friends, JB Shelton here again with BosleyMD, sharing tidbits about Bosley, okay? So today we're going to talk about our 30-day kits, the first place you go as a professional when you're recommending Bosley for the first time with your guests. Now we have 3 kits, and this is a big question I get out in the field, the difference between our 3 kits, okay? So first I'm going to start with our defense kit. Our defense kit is for those folks that are trying to prevent future hair loss. Maybe 4 feet away, you cannot see their scalp at all. Shampoo, conditioner, and a thickening treatment, also color safe, and 30-day guarantee right on the box. Now let's say you have a guest coming in and they are a little farther advanced with their hair loss and they're very concerned. Maybe 4 feet away, you can see their scalp. Well, that's when you move to our Revive line. And our Revive line has 2 kits. We have the blue kit for non-color treated hair, and then we have the orange kit for color treated hair. The Revive line is for that guest that is already in the throes of hair loss, okay? One is color safe, which is the orange, and then blue is non-color safe. As you can probably expect, most of your guys are gonna go here, most of your ladies are gonna go here.